Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a Discord bot using Nextcord Python library. We are going to make a bot first from Discord developer page, so follow along. Make sure to enable the intents as we might need them later for / commands. Now let's invite a bot to our server, follow me. Now the bot is in our server. Let's install Nextcord library by typing pip install Nextcord in the terminal. Let's create bot.b file where we will code the bot. I am gonna copy basic setup of bot from the Nextcord docs. Let's get our bot token and replace it in the bot.b file. I'm gonna comment the on_message event as we are just making bot commands for now. Let's write a command to the latency of our bot. The Nextcord library uses async, so we are gonna use that. We create functions for every command and pass ctx as argument. You can name ctx as anything. Then we send the message by typing await ctx.send. I'm gonna copy paste the latency message as I already have it. Let's test it by running our bot. Type bot.b to run the bot. Oops, we made a mistake. We have to use command instead of commands on line 10. Ping command works. Let's write another command to greet the user. I'm just gonna copy paste the previous command and edit it. To tag the author of message we use ctx.author.mention. If you don't wanna tag, it's just ctx.author.